Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Spotify. So go for your Spotify app, then you can select that person from your following option, or otherwise you can search for that person. So okay, if I choose that person, and in this three dot option you have to click on it, and you can see here is a block option. So you have to click on it and again go for block, and you have blocked the person. So this is how you can block someone on Spotify. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
Today's video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.